How to fix no sound on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure the volume up button on Facebook is set to its fullest in order to be able to hear the sound. So while you are using Facebook video and while you are seeing the Facebook video, press the volume up button or simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Here, set the volume to its fullest and make sure the silent switch on your iPhone is disabled. Next, you can try to unmute the Facebook video, as many Facebook videos start muted, so simply tap on the speaker icon on the video on the bottom right and the volume should be played. You can also try another video to confirm. Next, check your app sound settings. So in Facebook, again, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Here, scroll down to the media option and tap on it and then go ahead and turn on sounds for all the aspects in Facebook and restart Facebook and your issue should have been fixed. If not, then open settings and tap on Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is disabled and it is not connected to your AirPods or some other speakers or any other Bluetooth devices, as sometimes the sound may be playing through AirPods or car audio and you might not be able to hear it on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then also make sure to check the silent switch and in settings again tap on focus and turn off all focus modes, as focus modes disable sounds notification from apps. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart clears temporary audio glitches along with majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on general and then on iPhone storage and then navigate to Facebook and then tap on offload. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix no sound on Facebook error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.